man. All right, Sydney, come here.
Oh, look at her. Just drop it. Oh, here. Okay.
Is that your fish? All right, Sydney. What do you think of that fish? Is that a pretty one? Right in the mouth.
Tom, will you take this camera off me, this little one?
All right, bud, here you go.
Actually, I got it.
There you go.
I just thought of something. I got it.
I got the line in my hand. Say bye, Sydney.
Bye.
Whoa. You'll find your way back.
Oh, I see a thing.
We're gonna let this fish grow to be a monster. Okay, cut it loose.
Did he get out there?
Yep. He's out there.
Good.
How did he go?
Here, now you can have this. Like a fish out of water, huh? Thank you.
I know how to cast it now, Steve.
What is that, Gussie? What is that, going fishing?
But I don't know how to throw it in.
You know how to cast?
You want Aunt Maria to help you?
Want me to help you?
I need to know it.
Oh, it's all the way in. See the bobber? It's all the way at the top. So now you can cast it. You want to cast it by yourself or do you want help?
I put lots and lots of thick ones in there.
You put fake worms in her case?
Yeah, just in case.
Okay, Cease. All right, you want to do it by yourself? You ready? All right, let's see. Good job.
Kind of stuck to something.
Is it stuck in the grass?
What's the deal with it? Oh, Cease, you got a fish.
Did I get Raymond?
Want to touch him? He didn't even get all the worm. Cece, you caught him.
Hey. Want to touch him, Raymond?
You want to touch him? Want to
That
touch
was a
him?
good one, Cece.
Cece, you want to touch him? That's your fish.
I caught a fish.
Way to go, Cece.
Cece.
Cece and Barbie.
Cece and Barbie caught a fish.
Excellent. That's a good one.
All right, let's put
All
it back
right.
Take a picture, Cease?
Let Aunt Maria take a picture.
Show me, Cease. Raymond, you're going to get one next, Ray. I know it.
I know.
I know.
Tell me about that fish. What happened?
Let's get a
I mean,
worm.
certified, so I pulled and I hooked it. There.
That's it? That's all you got for me? Your Uncle Tim drove like 14 hours yesterday and that's all you can do for me?
That's all I got.
Come on, buddy. Tell me what'd you use for bait?
Raymond's got a worm.
Worm. I used a worm to catch this fish, which I hooked, and then I pulled it out.
You like fishing?
Yeah,
Why do you like fishing?
to catch the fish.
I got one.
They put me on the spot like that.
You're gonna throw them in, huh?
Yeah.
What is it? It's bluegill?
It is a bluegill, isn't it? I mean, a classic.
I pulled it in. I got one.
It's got a bluegill.
Swallowed it.
That's the Aspenhof record bluegill there.
Yeah. One hand.
Just tell us, a little bit about you and your love of fishing and the kids. Just tell me about the kids and fishing and how fun this is for you as a family.
Well, we're not from out here. Colleen invited us, so we're really having a good time because my fisherman likes to fish. So this is a special treat for us.
All right.
We all enjoy it. Here's my other little fisherman. You better get her in there. She's only 2.
You got one?
Oh, tree bass.
Start that again and action.
Yeah, she's 2.5 and she loves fishing, and he's 4 and he's the real fisherman. My husband's not much of a fisherman, but he does it for the kids, so it's good for all of us.
Crank it up.
Thank you. Come on, all the way up to me, kiddo.
I'm showing you worm.
What'd you find? Wow, that's a good one too, guy.
You want to catch your fish with it?
Okay, go ahead.
Let's catch your fish with it. I think so.
I think you're cheating, Dad, and then you're giving a pull to her.
Yeah, that's right. I was going to say it.
Listen, I'm going to scream foul. Nice job. What is it?
Right we are.
Good job, kiddo. A little bit, huh?
David, tell him you caught one.
I called a fish already.
What'd you catch? What kind of fish was it?
A bass.
Mr. Cabela's over here. He's got his... I'm Mr. Gander Mountain. As you can see, we've got opposing hats going here.
But he's also got his Bass Pro vest on.
There is no more
Hey!
Outfitted.
Catch anything?
We have one. Try that again, sweetheart.
Hey, Borellas, are you catching any fish?
Here we are, 2007, second annual fishing tournament. This is good for the kids. Family stuff, it's all good. That's what Aspenhof's about.
Well, it's fun to hang out with my dad because it's family time and I enjoy it, and he helps me catch fish, and it's easier when he's around because I think he's good luck.
Hey, Jared, did you sign anybody up?
Keep walking, you're okay?
Like you're going
How
like
are
this,
ya?
he can-
I'm very good.
Good to see you.
Oh, yay for the fishing!
Luke.
Tell them about it,
Can I
Dad.
throw it back in?
It's a very
What kind of fish is
Yeah,
this,
it's my
guys?
first fish of the weekend.
That's right, it's a bass. It's a bass.
Good job, Dave.
It's striped
Can I
on
throw the
side.
fishy back in?
Anybody want to hold it?
Remember, it
Put your
doesn't
thumb in its
hurt.
mouth.
Whose fish is this?
Just like this.
Yeah, Terry.
Ellie, can you? It is. It's my
Ellie, you want to hold it?
I got.
Look, just like this.
think it
It
is?
doesn't hurt.
Jamie, you want to throw it back in?
Yeah.
Paul, all right, come here, Paul. Come around front.
Paul's the man.
Put your thumb in its mouth.
All right, just see what I'm doing right there. Just right in there. Well, don't pinch it though. Do what Aunt Terry's doing, just like this. On the. There you go.
Nice, guys.
All right, now bring it down to the water so you don't hurt it. Don't just flop it in. There you go. Go down, and then go ahead, put it in the water. There. See? Oh.
Stuck?
No. Honey, I shouldn't be doing this with the baby on my back. Give him a little.
Nudge.
He's kind of stuck, isn't he? There you go.
Oh, guys. David's line blue. He's just dividing it.
He's like, listen, I told him to use a plastic worm like Grandpa said.
Trying to eat it.
I can lead him to the water, but I can't make him drink it.
Booklets, bags, and popsicles.
Whoa.
I want a blue popsicle. Got a blue one? Blue popsicle. Yeah.
Somebody pull out a bag and show us one of those bags.
Here, Katie.
You know what? I think Anna would like a popsicle. She's even trying to say the word popsicle.
She might have it out.
What's in there
What
from
kind of
Walmart?
popsicle?
Yeah, everybody get a popsicle.
A cereal bowl.
Down.
Oh, how neat.
Yeah, it comes with a spoon.
A notepad.
How'd you open it?
A little, whatever you call those things. Bobber.
Bobber.
Keychain. There's a lot of stuff in here. Another little keychain, a spoon to go with your cereal bowl. Some insect repellent. A hook. Pen. My goodness, there's treasure. And a ruler for measuring your big fish.
What?